Yeah, I'm up to the top of the top. Yeah, where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm up to the top of the top. I keep up to the top of the top. Y'all are flick like buck a stopper. Suck up the ball like you play a soccer. That's the only way for me. You are my body link, and we know you what you mean. Y'all for this and for me. Show the body, good time you're ready. Hey, y'all make some love when you write that. Hey, y'all come sit down and you bite back. Hack up your body, make your ball out, my gosh. Big bang yelling on my back, with the eye chop. Chop it in on the mother, hide the love. Have some bad girl from Scotland. And your boyfriend a please the fine one. And a school and your team got a final. Yeah, girl, lucky you are young kiddies. Big ball game and a plane and you skin it. Yeah, so she love off the image. Big girl a rush when they push in the village. I don't know come already. Ask me if me done already. Big things said it in a belly. Man a sport like Balotelli. You come in love when you write that. Hey girl, come sit down and you bite back. Pack up your body, make your ball load like that. Think that yelling on me. You know the thing, the one that looks right.
Alright, I tell you. Let's talk about for the
You are going now, you are going now. But you are going now, we have to abstract with anything, any type of situation. You see me I deal with right bad song, but write some nice song and give people to the mass. You see me I deal some more time, we have to organize the lyrics then. You see me, because remember, it's easy we have to perform in front of one. You see me? We don't want to beef out and edit out. You get me I deal with, because the song bad enough. But certain words we say like, try not to go edit out and things. You see me I deal, so we have to make all of the artists that we are forward to just keep them lyrics clean as possible. Because you only have to say something in but you must say it as subliminally to him. You overdo me and this and everything you really are saying ranty where it has to be forced. I must say something but a subliminal. You overdo me and this, but at the same time, we have to make some way down to the littlest and baby can listen to. And overdo me and this. So big up yourself bad artists.
bad, no bad, no bad.
100% talent, Jamaica.